Okay, this is Study Guide 22. We'll just start with number 1. Riley runs 3/10 of a mile. Carter ran 5/10 of a mile. How many total miles do Riley and Carter run? So that's just a simple addition problem. 3/10 plus 5/10 equals 8/10. Okay, the fraction. Number 2, it says write greater than, less than, or equal to make the statement true. So first let's think about what fraction of the shaded part is. There are 8 parts, so this would be 2/8, and this side would be 4/8. And we can look at this one and see that 4/8 is greater than 2/8. So 2/8 is less than 4/8. Okay, on your study guide, this says number 2 again, but it really is number 3. So this one will be number 3. If 2/10 plus 1/100 equals 20/100, then 4/10 plus 7/100 equals what? And we know from talking last week that 2/10 is the same as 20/100. So 4/10 is the same as 40/100. And 40 plus 7 would be 47/100. Okay, number 4, decompose 5/7 in 2 ways. Okay, the first way, A, already gives us 2/7, and we know 2 plus 3 equals 5, and the denominator stays the same, 7. Then B starts with 1/7, and we know 1 plus 4 would be 5, and again, the denominator stays the same, 5/7. Okay, this is just a basic addition problem. So 3,467 plus 16,745. 7 plus 5 is 12. So write the 2, carry the 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 1 more is 11. So write the 1, carry the 1. 7 plus 5 again would be 12 again. Write the 2, carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Carry that 1. So my answer is 20,212. Number 6, if 2/10 equals 20/100, then 8/10 equals, and we've done lots of these, we know that would be 80/100, because 2 times 10 is 20, and 10 times 10 is 100. So 8 times 10 is 80, and 10 times 10 is 100. Number 7, round 876,551 to the nearest 10. So guys, we're just rounding to right here. So remember, everything before that stays the same. Now, we look at the ones place to know whether to round the 5 up or down. And since it's a 1, it's less than 5. So we're going to leave that second 5 the same and make that last number a 0. Number 8, if the fraction 14/100 equals the decimal 14/100, which is written 0.14, then 78/100 equals the decimal 0.78. Okay, number 9, 3 3/10 plus 4 9/10. So I went ahead and drew this out. So you can see right here we have 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 whole, and then 3/10 here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9/10 here. Okay, so if I go ahead and count all of the ones that are completely whole, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 whole, which 3 plus 4 is 7. And then if I were to take these 3/10 and move them over here, that would be 1, 2, 3. So I actually have one more whole, so I can make this 8 whole. And then I can see if I drew that out that I have 2/10 in my last one. So 3 and 3/10 plus 4 and 9/10 is 8 and 2/10. Okay, number 10, 5/8 plus 2/8 would be 7/8. Oh, you can't see that very good. 7/8.